Hello everyone, welcome back to another guitar tutorial, and today we're going to be learning about the song Birds of a Feather by Billie Eilish. So first up, I'd just like to say a quick thank you to this person right here for suggesting this song for me to teach, and to my girlfriend as well. It's our 7th anniversary a few days back, and this is one of her favorite songs at the moment. So quick disclaimers first, I'm going to be using a capo on the 2nd fret, which means that this is going to be our 1st fret, 2nd fret, 3rd fret, and so on and so forth. And aside from that, I'm going to be teaching this to you guys as close and as accurate to its original audio as possible, as well as being it as simple as possible so that more of you guys will be able to follow. With that said, let's go straight right into it. Okay, so for the chords that we're going to use for this song, there's only going to be 4 of them, and it's going to be these ones right here. So first up is going to be the C major chord. It's going to be like this. And for this one, we're going to be using our thumb to mute the lower E string. It's going to be 3, 2, open, 1, then open. Yep, next up is going to be the A minor chord. It's going to be like this. And for this one, once again, we're also going to be using our thumb to create this dead sound right here in the lower E string by just letting it rest there, not pressing on it. Because if you press on it, it's going to be like this. So make sure you release that pressure to create that dead string right there. Yep, then after that, it's going to be the open string and the A string. 2, 2, 1, then open. Next up is going to be the D minor chord. It's going to be this one right here. Now this time, once again, we're going to be using our thumb to mute the lower E string and the A string as well by just extending a bit and not letting it press on those strings, just letting it rest there. It's going to be open string, 2, 3, then 1. Then lastly, it's going to be the G major chord. It's going to be like this. That is going to be 3, 2, open, open, 3, then 3. Yep, so all in all, we've got the C major chord, A minor chord, D minor chord, then the G major chord. Okay, so for the strumming pattern that we're going to use for this song, it's going to be this one right here. So allow me to demonstrate. It's going to be like this. Yep, just like that. So allow me to demonstrate. If you prefer using your fingers, I recommend using this part of your index finger for doing the down strum. Or if you prefer using your pick, just do a downward motion like so. So as you can see here on the screen, I'm going to be putting more emphasis or an accent on the every 3rd down strum for this set of 4 down strums right here. It's going to be like this. Yep. So it's going to be just regular down strums on the first 2 as well as the last one. But we're just going to be putting an emphasis or an accent on the 3rd down strum. So for those 3 down strums that are not accented, what I want you guys to do there is to just try to at least strum these top 3 strings. Just those. At least try to aim for those top 3 strings. If you can't, that's okay. We're just going to be getting the feel of this anyway for the down strums. So for example, with the C major chord, it's going to be like this. Yep. Just those top 3 strings if you can. Then for the strumming with the accent, that's when I want you to strum all of the strings together with more emphasis. So it's going to be like this. Yep. Yep. Because by doing so, we're going to be putting rhythm as well as a feel when it comes to the strumming pattern of this song. And with that said, we're going to be doing that strumming pattern for 1 count for every chord that we're going to be playing in this song. Okay, so when it comes to the intro section of this song, I prepared a tab for this, for the riff, and it's going to be this one right here. Yep, so for this one, we're going to be playing the C major chord for 4 counts. It's going to be like this. And what I want you guys to do is going to be plucking the bass string, which is going to be the A string for this case. Yep, that's going to be the D string next, using your index finger now this time. That's going to be the G and the B strings all together by using these 2 fingers right here. So it's going to be like this. Yep. Bass, D, G and B strings together. Then once more it's going to be the D string. it's going to be like this. Then after that, we're just going to be repeating that thing for 4 times in total. And once you finally figure that out, it's going to sound a little bit like this. I want you to stay. Okay, so for the remainder of the chord progression for the song, it's going to be this one right here. Basically, it's just going to be the C major chord for 4 counts, which means that we're going to be doing our strumming pattern 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then after that, we're just going to be repeating that entire chord progression for 11 repetitions in total. And that's going to be your song basically from the first verse of the song up until the outro section of the song, excluding the intro section of course. And once you finally figured that out, it's going to sound a little bit like this. Birds of a feather, we should stick together. And I said I never think I wasn't better alone. Can change the weather, might not be forever. If it's forever, let's see it better. And I don't know what I'm crying for. I don't think I could love you. Might not be alone, but baby, I love you till the day that I die. Till the day that I die. Till the light leaves my eyes. Till the day that I die. So yeah, this is the end of the guitar tutorial. Thank you guys for joining this far into the video. Please leave a like if you enjoyed it so that I'll know. And please once again do not forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell down below so that you guys will be able to stay updated for future videos. So if you guys would like me to teach anything else, just comment it down below as well. And I'll try to do it for you. And you'll also be able to show your support by sending a super thanks my way down below as well. I'd really appreciate that. And yeah, so if you guys would like to watch my other Billie Eilish guitar tutorials or any guitar tutorials for that matter, just click these ones right here. It's all good. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.